another wonderful episode of our lesson. Today we are going to be talking about subject, verb, and object in a sentence. As we know, subject is the what? The doer of an action, and object is referred to as the receiver of an action, and verb is referred to as the what? An action word. Now, what do we call subject in Yoruba language? Subject, we call it Olùwà. Olùwà is what we call subject in Yoruba language. Olùwà ni ẹni tí ó ṣe nǹkan nínú gbólóhùn, that is the doer of an action. Àbọ̀, that is what we refer to as what? As object. Àbọ̀ ni ẹni tí a ṣe nǹkan sí nínú gbólóhùn, which is referred to as what? The receiver of an action. Now, verb, we call it ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe is what we refer to as what? As verb. Likewise, we can still call it kókó, gbólóhùn. Kókó, gbólóhùn. Without verb in a sentence, the sentence will not be what? Will not be meaningful. Let's look at an example of this. This is an example. Mo issue. The sentence is not correct. And why is it not correct? This sentence, this is the subject, which we refer to as what? As Olùwà. And this is the object, which we refer to as what? As àbọ̀. Here, we have a blank space, which is meant for what? The verb. Without we having a verb in this sentence, the sentence is not what? It is not meaningful. Now let's come to this. Mo jẹ iṣu. Mo jẹ iṣu, which means what? Mo jẹ iṣu. This is what? Olùwà, which is the subject, and this is the verb, which is what? Kókó, gbólóhùn, or we say ọ̀rọ̀ ìṣe, and this is what? Iṣu, which is what? The object, or we call it àbọ̀ in Yoruba language. Today we already know that we can make use of subject, verb, and object in a sentence, but without we making use of a verb, the sentence will not be meaningful. Likewise, today we already know the meaning of subject in Yoruba language, likewise verb as well as object.
Àpẹẹrẹ Bàbá Yorùbá TV.